What's up, everybody? Bassing around here. Got a new piece of safety equipment the other day. Got us for a smoking deal. It was $69 off of eBay, and I've been wanting one of these for quite some time. But, you know, MSRP on them were $180. See if you can see this. This is a Stolquist PFD, the Keeper. That's what it's called. And after I did the video about rearming the inflatable PFDs and actually getting to use one on the, getting to use this style on the water, because I had difficulties. It had inflated while being stored in the kayak. Lesson learned, don't store it in the kayak because it will inflate. And I had a buddy of mine let me use his PFD, and I was like, you know what, this is great. There's a lot of pockets on here. It was really hot out that day, but it was bearable. So I went down the rabbit hole of picking one, and this is the one I wanted to get. And I got it on eBay for the low. So I was like, I can't pass this up. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it rigged up, put some stuff on it, show a little bit about the fit. All right, so I got my essentials put in the PFD. It's really windy, so I decided to use this wired lapel mic. So I hope that helps. All right, so you got two of these side straps. You got this chest strap here, and then you got these up here, right? So hopefully I don't get things tangled up here. I'm also wearing 3 layers right now. Got a base layer, fishing jersey, and this hoodie on. So the one thing that I really liked about this style is that this is lower than a lot of other ones. And with the rib cage style thing, I tried this on, sat down, twisted all the things, and it did not ride up on you. The other thing, with it being so low, I use a Telson neck mount for my GoPro, and I tried that on when I first got it, and it fits really well. So what I've been told is that I want to adjust the side straps first. Then we get the rib cage strap, get it locked into place. Okay, it's snug. Also figured out that I got these right here, so I put the key ring on here. Got my phone on the Rogue tether. Hey, if you're kayak fishing or just fishing, you really got to get one of these, man. I haven't dropped my phone yet, but I have while sitting in the kayak, catching a fish or whatever. It was in my lap, got up, boom, and I still had my phone. So that's a plus. So let's see, I will be able to put my battery pack in here. That was something with the inflatable that I didn't really like, because I had to have my phone in one pocket, the battery pack in the other pocket for the GoPro, and I was running out of stuff to put it in my pockets, and it was very cumbersome. Also, pulling a phone out of your pocket with this Rogue strap is very hard, especially after catching a fish. You know, you're excited, and having to fish it out of your pocket was a super pain in the butt. So I'm hoping that, you know, just being able to get a picture, like the sound effects, and get it done and keep fishing will help me to be more efficient. There is a D-ring in here. Can't see it. Well, here we go. Safety whistle. Always got to have a safety whistle, and it is secured to the vest. You got this neoprene pocket right here. Also got this one, and it has a netted pocket inside, so I keep got my GoPro, not GoPro, I have my AirPod Pros in there in case I get a phone call on the water. And you also have these hand warmer pockets. Now, It's tight on me. I haven't used a hand warmer in it yet. I don't know how efficient that's going to be, but it is pretty comfortable to just put your hands in there and warm them up. On the other side, got this outer pocket, and you have 3 little mesh compartments in there, and you have little pockets in here. So my thought was, I will probably attach this lapel mic, and eventually when I get a wireless lapel mic, I'll clip it to there. I thought about clipping the GoPro to here or having an attachment right here. The reason I'm not going to do that is because I don't want my angle coming out that way, right? There's not a lot of room right here, and I didn't really like any of the GoPro attachments that would go there. So I'm just going to stick with the neck mount. I already have it, don't need to spend any more money. Oh, you got one of these attachment points here and 2 right here as well. It's a full back, right? But the thing is that the back is very thin. After I get off the water, I'm going to talk about how the fit and function of this is, and hopefully, you know, the season's about to start. I get this video out. Hopefully it'll help you all make a decision whether to stick with the inflatable or change over to this style of PFD. Either way, guys, look, the most important part is that whether you're fishing a tournament, you're out just fishing for fun, is that you have a PFD on. Every year, there's good anglers out there. They end up drowning. So you always want to have a PFD, especially if you're tournament fishing. You have to have one. You have to have it on. Check with your tournament trails, because some trails say that you can wear your PFD under your rain gear. Some tournament trails say no, you have to have it outside. Check with your trail and be sure to stay current, because every year we make updates. I don't know if you can see, PFD is awesome, man. Got a little, put my sunglasses there, my remote to my motor guide, fits on a carabiner there, which is super handy. Like, it's at the right level. I don't have to fight with the lanyard I used to have, the one I'm wearing right now, and I don't have the risk of the lanyard that I was wearing becoming detached and falling in. So that's a plus. Also, it's really comfortable with the seat back on the Kayak. Yeah, I'm really glad about this. Worth the investment. Let me know what you guys think.